Hi, my name is Fred, team lead for GDP Group 46. And what you just saw was us configuring and deploying our aircraft for delivery of medical supplies. Now, with the limited number of blood banks across the country, the UK has seen a dramatic rise in the demand for blood transport to smaller medical institutions. And, as you all know, traditional transportation methods are vulnerable to unforeseen traffic or even terrain challenges. To address these issues, I would like to introduce Ares, a modular UAV designed to transport blood bags across different distances and terrains. Ares was designed from the ground up to be compliant with UN 3373 and Packing Instruction 650 regulations, while still maintaining its modularity, allowing the aircraft to switch between configurations in under 5 minutes. We incorporated many simple connection mechanisms for different components on the aircraft, ranging from removable rotor arms, a removable outboard section, and a removable tail. And we are exclusively powered by T-Motor electronics to streamline manufacturing. These design choices make the UAV easy to operate with minimal training, significantly reducing the overall barrier to entry and enabling wider adoption.
Also, it feels pretty good. I've got time in air of 1 minute 45. Scale on the thing?
Due to time constraints, we were only able to test 2 out of the 3 configurations. But having successfully flown in both quadcopter and hybrid configurations, with a full payload, we are confident in the pure fixed-wing capabilities of this aircraft.
Oh, it's transitioned.
Throughout this project, we have also identified many potential changes that will improve the range and payload capacity through weight and aerodynamic gains. With modularity at the core of our design philosophy, the platform offers a wide range of upgrades and configuration possibilities, making it adaptable to virtually any mission requirement. This flexibility highlights a strong case for adopting a UAV like Ares across a variety of operational scenarios.